Hello everyone, coding enthusiast. Welcome back to the Coding Kids channel. Today we are diving into the intriguing world of data structures, starting with linked list. Don't worry if you are new to this, we'll break down step by step. Jump right in. Imagine a linked list as a chain of nodes, each holding data and pointing to the next node. Linked lists are like dynamic puzzle pieces that we can rearrange as needed. Actually, there are two flavors of linked list. So first one is each node point to the next, forming a non-way street. It's called via single linked list. And second one is doubly linked list. So it it's work as a double linked list as a node as a pointer to both the next and previous nodes, creating a two-way pathway. And now let's make this more tangible with the hand-on Java coding experience. It's the only way to practice the coding. Sure. So our hand-on Java coding example. Imagine we are crafting a basic single linked list to store the names of superheroes. To start, we will define a node class with the data field and next reference. So we can see first we want to create the node class. Yes, it's include string data field and our node next. Next. Yes. So our node class we want to construct inside string data. This data equal data. This next equal initially. No, there are no data inside. Yes, good. Then next, let's create instance of the node class for our superheroes and connect them through the next reference. It's a very important part. Carefully look at. We will going to define that our main class. So node class is separate one. Node. What is our superhero? It's Iron Man. Iron Man. New node. So data name Iron Man. Then our next node is Spider-Man. Spider-Man. Spider. Yes, correct. So hand-on experience, please carefully look at how to link list work and how to implement a linked list. Then Then we are going to link ironman.next to our Spider-Man. Yes, it's a correct way. So Iron-Man is the first node. So next to the Spider-Man. Yes. Traveling through the linked list is as easy as following the next pointer. This is the easiest way. Then we are going to implement our node current node equal Ironman. Then we want to iterate our linked list. So iterating linked list, everyone know how to iterate the linked list. Our previous videos we explain that step by step. So current node not equal null. We are going to iterate our linked list. System.out.println current node next. So next our data print. We are going to print our data and so current node and current node equal current node dot next. That's all about our linked list implementation. It's a current node object we can rename. It's a more understanding to current hero. So I think it's better. So we are going to implement our superheroes now. Yes, current yes, current hero. So spelling mistake, don't worry. Yes. Now we can run and look at what are our results. So Mervin Spring Boot run. So this is a Mervin Spring Boot project. Very easy for setup. Our previous video explained how to set up a Spring Boot project. Yes, project is started 10. Linked list is implemented. So Iron Man, so Spider-Man. How it been? So our current data linked to the next one. Yes, very simple for linked list data structure explanation. This is a fantastic work. You are just built and navigated the linked list using a Java. So language is Java. Linked lists are fantastic tools for a wide range of tasks, from implementing advanced algorithm to managing dynamic data. So programming is very important. Whether you are a beginner or looking for a refresh your skills, understanding linked list is a powerful steps in your coding journey. And if you found this video helpful, show your support by giving it thumbs up and subscribing for more exciting tutorials. Remember, practice is key to mastering coding concepts. Thanks for joining me today. Keep coding, keep learning, and I'll catch you the next video.